Hey singers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. It will really just help to support the channel and what we're doing, and also hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on a video. Today, we are diving deep into the topic of unlocking your full vocal range. So, let's get started. So why is vocal range important for us as singers? Well, it's like being an athlete. The more versatile you are, the more roles you can play, and being able to sing a wider range really allows you to tackle more challenging songs and genres. But let's just quickly discuss one of the common mistakes that many of us make when it comes to trying to extend our range, and one of them is by pushing harder. Guilty. I'm sometimes guilty of this, and I know you are too. But by pushing harder, this can actually damage our voices. We just have to be more intentional and more strategic about how we're going to hit those notes within our range. Now, let's talk about the singing secrets that can just really help you expand your vocal range. So, come closer. So secret number one is breath control. Now, the foundation of great range is breath control. When you learn how to breathe properly, you can really support those high and low notes so much more easily. And secret two is all about vocal placement. So yeah, the second one obviously is going to be vocal placement. It's such a big deal when it comes to increasing range, but really just knowing where to place your voice can really help you hit those notes effortlessly. Gosh, vocal placement really helps me, I know for sure. Number three is daily exercises. And finally, just like any other skill, really practicing is going to improve your voice. But I'm not just talking about any practice, I'm talking about targeted exercises, really just designed to expand and increase your range. So let's just talk about each secret in more depth, and then we'll do some exercises to go along with it. So the foundation of singing rests on how well you can control your breath. Think of it as fuel to your car. The better the fuel quality, the smoother your car is going to run. Now, let's get into understanding and mastering breath control with these two exercises.
So place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. Take a deep breath in, ensuring that the hand on your stomach rises more than the one on your chest. This ensures that you're engaging the diaphragm. Exhale slowly and notice how the hand on your stomach lowers. And then just repeat that one more time. So this next exercise will help you to understand how to control the airflow, which is essential for longer phrases in songs. Take a deep diaphragmatic breath. Now exhale with a sustained shh sound, like a tire slowly leaking air. The goal is to make this hissing sound as long as possible, keeping the exhalation steady. Repeat one more time. Good. And you're done. Well done.
So one of the most underutilized techniques in singing is really understanding vocal placement. So vocal placement essentially means just focusing your sound in different areas or different resonance zones, for example, in your head and your chest. And this is just going to produce a variety of different tones. But one of the placements we're going to be focusing on right now is forward placement, which is focusing your sound forward in the mask of the face. And this can really help to reduce vocal strain and vocal projection. It's going to increase that. So it's really going to help to increase and expand your vocal range. And I can't stress enough how much vocal placement helps when it comes to me expanding my range.
A great way to experience vocal placement is by humming gently, really focusing the sound forward in the mask of your face, feeling those vibrations. Then we'll take it to the scale. staying relaxed, feeling those vibrations in the mask of the face.
So doing daily exercises is so important. It's like going to the gym on your voice, taking your voice through muscle movement that singing alone doesn't, doing exercises that are gonna stretch and strengthen and just really work on the coordination of your voice muscles to keep your voice in top shape. But let's look at a few essential daily exercises to help expand your range.
This exercise helps to warm up the voice and extend range because it allows you to go through your vocal range with ease without straining the voice. I really love combining the lip trill with other exercises. In this case, it's the mum, mum, mum. And the lip trill is going to relax your voice, and then you're going to open up into that mum. And this is really great for stabilizing the larynx and just really extending your overall range. And we're going to continue again with the lip trill and the bob, bob, bob. Really using that bob, get that B, let it pop on the lips. This is an amazing exercise. It encourages resonance into the mask of the face, and it can assist when it comes to bridging the gap between chest voice and head voice, making transition smoother, therefore increasing your vocal range. Let's take it to the scale. Really thinning it out as we ascend. Nice.
So there you have it, the secrets to unlocking your full vocal range. Now you can get the Increase Your Vocal Range vocal workout on my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play for free, just in case I didn't mention it's for free. But download it now and you can get a whole bunch of vocal training, vocal workouts and challenges on my app. And if you found this video helpful, give it the thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so that you never miss out, and share this video with anyone if you feel that they're going to find it beneficial. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Keep singing, keep reaching for those high notes, and I will see you again soon. Mwah. Peace.